It's like a humming whistle.
It was a what?
It's like a and when you turn the steering wheel, there's definitely parts inside the center of the steering wheel clicking around. And we know it has an exhaust manifold leak and the emergency brake cable's dangling underneath. And I think that hits my list. Other than that, she's a sweet ride. Yeah. I'm telling you. He's like, did you hear the whistle? And for 2 days, I didn't go for it. I'm like, yeah, I didn't hear no whistle. Morning, I cracked the windows down. I was in Ocean Grove where it's really quiet by the ocean. And I hear it going. At low speeds, you hear it.
Okay. All right. I'll look into
All right,
the
John. So
noise.
here's what I got planned for the weekend for you.
All right.
There ain't any way on Sunday we're not driving that fucking car up the highway.
The T-Bird?
The T-Bird's got to go up the highway.